How are you?
Fine, sir.
So today we are going to learn about the use of words. Words with N O E. What? O A
O-A,
N O E.
O-E,
O A
O-A,
N O E.
O-E.
Let us write some of the words. L O A D. What is this? Lord. Here we have used O A. Then road. R O A D. Road. Then goal. G O A L. Go. Then fall. F O A L. Fall. Then boat. What is the spelling of boat? B O A T. Boat. What is the spelling of boat? B.
B-O-A-T.
Boat.
Boat.
B-O-A-T.
Boat.
Then coat. C-O-A-T. C. O. A-T. Coat. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now we are going to write using the word O-E. What?
O-E.
D-O-E. Dog. Dog means animal called dog. That is looking like deer. Okay, then phone. F-O-E. Phone. Here in this word we have used O-E and O-E. Here in the second word also. Then toe. T-O-E. Toe. So in these words we have used O-E. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So let us read it again. Lord. L-O-A-D.
L-O-A-D.
Lord.
Lord.
Here we have used O-D, O-A. Then road. R-O-A-D.
R-O-A-D.
Road.
Road.
Goal.
Goal.
Hole.
Hole.
Boat.
Boat.
Coat.
Coat.
So in these words we have got O-A. By using O-A we have wrote or formed the words. So thank you for listening carefully. Thank you for watching also.